Stop scrolling. If you're working hard but still broke, this video might make you uncomfortable. Because the truth is, hard work isn't failing you. The system is. Stay till the end, because one sentence there can change how you wake up tired. You work all day, you check your salary, and it's already gone. Bills, rent, family, MS. You tell yourself, next month will be better. But it never is. And the scary part? Years pass, life passes, and nothing changes. See money forever. Let me ask you something. If hard work creates wealth, why are the hardest workers the poorest? Why do people working in heat, dust, and danger earn less than people sitting in air-conditioned rooms? Because money doesn't reward effort. It rewards leverage. Here's the rule they never tell you: jobs pay you just enough to survive, not escape. They buy your time, and time is the only thing you never get back. The moment you stop working, income stops. That's not safety. That's dependency. But here's the part most people miss. Rich people are not smarter. They just play a different game. They don't chase money. They build things that make money chase them. Skills, assets, systems. And once you understand this, you'll never see money the same way again. You don't need to quit your job. But you must stop relying on only one income. One skill, one side income, one small investment. That's how escape starts. Not overnight, but permanently. You were not behind in life. You were just never taught the rules. Nobody explained money to you. They trained you to obey it. But today, you woke up. And once you see the game, you can't unsee it. Remember this sentence: salary pays bills. Ownership builds freedom. Choose wisely. If this message opened your eyes, subscribe to this channel, because this is where your financial awakening begins.